Hello, my name's Karthik, and today we're going to learn how I made this project right here. So you might be wondering, what is this? And what this is it's a farm, and it's basically each row is a different vegetable. So the first one is pumpkin, tomato, mushroom, brinjal, carrot, and lettuce at the end. So let's see how I do it. So if we hop on over to view code, we could see what I wrote. So what I wrote was for var I equals 50, so we would have it 50 from the x, and then I is less than 400. And the reason we did that is because we want it to show up like here, but then we don't want it to show up like down here, and we won't be able to see it. So that's why we did that. And we did I equals I plus 50, so it would be 50 pixels apart like here. And then same thing, we did I, and then 50 for the y, and then 20 by 20 to create that perfect square. And that's what we did for tomatoes, mushroom, brinjal, carrot, and lettuce. But then each y is 50 pixels more, so it would be lined up. So you could see the pumpkin is 50 pixels away from the tomato. And then how I created the stem was I created a different sprite called stem. And then what I did was I had the same thing, but then the I is same, and then I did 35, so it would be perfectly in the center as the Y, and then I did 5 by 6, so it would be a rectangle, and then this is just basically a color for light green, and then I did that for each one, but I didn't do it for mushroom or lettuce, but I did it for carrot, brinjal, tomato, and pumpkin, and that's basically how I did it. So let's have a quick roll through of the code. Okay, and that's it. So, hope you liked this, and goodbye.